Hi, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hey, how you doing? My name is Ash, and it is actually almost my birthday, so I figure why not do a sort of makeup wish list birthday edition. Oh, I am turning way too old on Monday, but it is what it is. So this is just a wish list of possible things that I could buy myself for my birthday. Not that big of a deal if I get them or not. I haven't been in the makeup sphere, like buying new makeup, in quite a long time because my focus has been books, and I might stop into like a Sephora or Ulta or something on my birthday, but we'll see. We'll see. So I guess I should mention that I do have a book wish list on my Amazon, and it has way too many books on there. Way too many. If anybody's feeling generous, that's listed down below. Anyways, just gonna scooch over a little bit so I can pop up my photos. I have a messy desk, so don't mind that, but we're just gonna get into talking about the products. So first up is gonna be the new Urban Decay palette. This is the Metal Mania one. I just think the color story, I have my phone set up here, I think the color story looks so pretty, and I am such a fan of Urban Decay, and I just haven't bought one of their palettes in a while, and I think this one just, it calls to me a little more. The shimmery purple, the shimmery yellow, I'm a sucker for yellow, and it just looks pretty. It just looks pretty. This next one isn't specifically a color, it's just the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitters in general. I own, I think, one right now, and it is one of my favorite formulas for glitter. And I did see on Trendmood when I'm filming this that they have rebranded this, or it's a new product, I don't know, but I'm interested in both. But I think this new one has a like solid base, whereas these ones have just a clear base and it's just straight glitter. Half Magic Beauty is now at Ulta, and that makes my heart so happy because I've tried a few Half Magic Beauty products before and I'm obsessed. And one of the things I want to try is called the Glitter Puck. Not necessarily this color, but it's just so pretty and so sparkly. I've seen quite a few people use it over on like TikTok and Instagram, and it just looks gorgeous. I need it. And also what I want is the glitter pills. I own the copper shade and it's beautiful. The reflect in that glitter is stunning. I do admit that they're a little hard to work with, but once you get past that and you get it on, oh my god, stunning. That green and that silver, I need them both. But Half Magic Beauty, it's not super expensive, but it's not drugstore cheap, and I don't have a lot of points at Ulta right now. Next two items are actually brushes from Smashbox. So we have the blurring foundation brush and the blurring concealer brush. I honestly don't buy too many brushes anymore because I have too many, but I have had a few of the Smashbox ones and they are phenomenal and expensive. Like the foundation brush is $38 and the concealer brush is $28. Okay, so this next one is from LA Girl. It is the Shade Shifter Duochrome eyeshadow, and it's like everybody is coming out with duochrome everything, and I'm here for it. I love it. This is $9. It's at Ulta, and they look beautiful. Like this blue purple shifty one, I love that. I love that, and I haven't tried too much LA Girl, and I need to, but maybe this is in my store, I'll pick it up. There's a new Makeup by Mario concealer out. I love his foundation. It is absolutely beautiful. And this is like the same type. So this is the Surreal Skin concealer, and oh my god, it looks so nice. From the picture I'm looking at, I don't know if that's as deep as it goes. I hope he comes out with like deeper shades. I am very intrigued to try this, even though I do not need any more concealers. Surprisingly, on my list I only have, I think, 2 palettes, and one is this new Nomad one, which I think is called Golden Grit, something like that. I haven't tried anything from Nomad Cosmetics, and they have always intrigued me. I just never bite the bullet to try them, and I need to. So maybe, probably not for my birthday, but maybe around the holidays I will try to snag one of their palettes. But this one just looks so pretty. I love all the tones in there. There's cool tones, there's pops of colors. It's not your typical like neutral palette, but it does lean on the neutral side. It looks so pretty. The next item has been on my wish list for a while, and I just haven't tried to buy it yet. It is the Rick and Morty collection from Glamlight. I am a Rick and Morty fan. I know a lot of people don't like it, but I think it's funny. That's just my humor. I think it's funny. Me and my husband both enjoy it, and I love the packaging that Glamlight did for this collection. Absolutely love it, and I just want everything. I lied. There was another palette I saved. This is the Delicious Delights from Cosmic Brushes. I want to try all of their palettes because they look so beautiful. The storyline, gorgeous. I just obviously haven't bought it. This one just looks so stunning. I've seen a couple of my friends on TikTok use it, and it just looks phenomenal. Alright, and then the next two items I will probably pick up if I go to Sephora. The first being Rich Bitch from Freck. This just seems like such a beautiful primer. It just sounds something that I would absolutely love. And then I want to get a restock on my Freck XL because the one I have is kind of not working as well as it should. And unfortunately Freck is only at Sephora. Obviously I could order it online, but I like to go into places and buy my stuff. Whatever. I hate going to Sephora because it's in the mall. Sephora has moved to Kohl's, but they don't have all the stock, and I just hate the mall. I do. Alright, this next one is a perfume that just sounds delicious. It is by Ellis Brooklyn. It is the Vanilla Milk. I don't really like the milk part of the name, but I like the vanilla. It just sounds like it would smell exactly what I want. I love vanilla scents, especially getting into the cooler season. I love it for fall and winter. It just, there's something about vanilla. It just smells so yummy. And someone described this as like vanilla and like butter, and that just sounds so goddamn delicious. I need it, but I think a full size is like $120. Alright, and then the last thing I want to mention is just Rare Beauty in general. I honestly haven't tried much from Rare Beauty since like it first launched, and that was quite a few years ago at this point. And the only recent thing that I've tried is one of their tinted lip oils, and that is beautiful. And they have a new brow pencil out that I want to try, and then these highlighters. I have heard nothing but great things about this highlighter. Do I need it? No. But this video is all about wants, not needs. So yeah, that wraps up my makeup wish list. I probably won't do this as often. Maybe around Christmas time I'll do another one if there's more products out that catch my eye. But like I said, I haven't been buying makeup lately, and I just feel like I've missed so much. I'm not gonna go out of my way to try to buy loads and loads of stuff, but I will keep a better eye on what's coming out and then go from there. But yeah, I think that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I just cannot believe that I'm gonna be 1 year older on Monday. If you want to keep up with me, I have my socials all down below, but I'm just artistryxashh everywhere, and my bookstagram is Devouring Bookishly. Weird name, I know. Everything I have will be listed down below, and yeah, I think that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing day or night whenever you're watching this, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!